Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about Chinese government scholarship, Harbin Engineering University Marine Scholarship of China. I already discussed in my previous videos, one of my previous video about Harbin Engineering University Atomic Energy Scholarship, and this scholarship is for Marine Scholarship of China. So now came to the point. I will tell you about everything in this video about Marine Scholarship of China. Don't worry about this. So let's start the topic. Authority is Chinese government scholarship. The university name Harbin Engineering University of China. Master. This is scholarship, but this scholarship is only for master and PhD students. Fully funded scholarship. Everything is free. 3,000 for RMB for masters and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Online apply and you send documents to the university. Okay, the deadline has been started. The time has been started. 15th of April 2020 is the last date for the scholarship. So if you have acceptance and apply, you can apply. So don't worry about this. All international students can apply because this is not a Silk Road scholarship, so every students can apply from every university, from every country. Age limit is master 35 years and for PhD 40 years. So you can apply with the English proficiency certificate. No need of having IELTS or TOEFL at these kind of things. Okay, and now we discuss about okay, and sorry. Okay, now how you apply for this scholarship. First you fill the CSC online application form, agency number is 10217, and after filling CSC online application form, you must fill Harbin Engineering University online application portal. How you fill CSC online application portal, I will the link in the description as below, and are required upload all documents, and you must fill university online application portal and print out all documents and send it to this address. This is the postal address of the university. No application fee. Check your status daily here. Maybe your status will be changed after some days when you apply. The result will be announced at the end of July. Click here to apply on university portal, on CSC portal, and click here to apply on university portal. I will give you the demo and how you select and how many types of scholarship available in on university portal. So I will tell you. Don't worry about this. Watch the complete video. Required documents: CSC online application form. You must have CSC when you send your documents. You must have CSC online application form, Harbin Engineering University online application form. So please keep in mind, when you print out your CSC application form, you must sign on. You must sign on by hand on the last page of the CSC online application form, and also sign on your online application portal of Harbin Engineering University when you download the form. You must have highest degree. If you don't have highest degree, then you can use home certificate, but if you have degree, latest degree, notarized copy is best for you. Transcript of highest education. Okay, and a research plan or study plan. Click here to download the sample. When you click here, you can download the sample, and don't change anything, just fill your information here. And your research plan, start your research or study plan here. Research background is the first heading, is research background. Second one is research purpose and significance. Third one is literature review, scientific preparation, and preparations of the application, and the research methods. These are the headings of the your study plan. Transcript of highest education study plan, recommendation letters for passport photocopy, physical examination form, police clearance certificate, means certificate of no criminal record, English proficiency certificate. If you don't have an IELTS, then don't worry about this. Acceptance letter, it's optional. If you have, then well and good, because they prefer those students who got acceptance letter from the supervisors. So must keep in your mind that when you send your documents and when your parcel prepared your parcel, then mark on your the back side of your and the front side of your parcel that the envelope on, you must mention application for Marine Scholarship of China, because many types of scholarship, 5 to 6 or 7 types of scholarship which they offer. So that's why they don't they will confuse that with the students which select the students which send documents for which type of scholarship. So you just mention on your application portal Marine Scholarship of China. Click here to go to your official advertisement of the university. When you click here, then you can go here. Okay, this one is the Marine Scholarship of China official advertisement. And keep one thing in mind: don't send your documents during holidays, because now recently they start winter vacations, so they clearly mention on their websites and it's advised not to submit application materials during the university's winter vacation from January 15 to Feb 15 2020. So these 1 month you cannot send your documents during this time, and must mention on the your application package application for Marine Scholarship of China. And these are the documents of all the documents which they required. I will tell you in my video, so don't worry about this scholarship and these types of documents. Okay, and now came to the online application portal of the university. So you can click here, click here to go to the official advertisement of online application link. So after clicking online application link, you can go to this portal. Click on online application portal, and after clicking on online application portal, you click first Chinese government scholarship. Okay, when you click Chinese government scholarship, click master student here, and after clicking master students, these are the majors. If you are majors in the list, so you can apply, because they prefer these majors. So I click on apply any one of the major. So these are the 5 to 7 types of scholarship: Amir State University Scholarship, Atomic Energy Scholarship of China, which I already discussed in my previous video, CSC Scholarship, Silk Road Scholarship Program. I don't discuss yet, so I will make a video on this very short, very soon. So don't worry about this. For Stanford, these are all the scholarship which are under Chinese government CSC scholarship. So Chinese government scholarship, don't worry about this. So we click on Marine Scholarship of China. This is the Marine Scholarship of China, and I click here. So sorry, click on I will give you the demo. I click on home, and I click on online application and click on view. I will tell you which documents they required when you upload your documents here. So passport, photocopy of passport, physical examination, form for farmer, previous stage of graduation certificate, means your highest degree, your highest transcript, letters of recommendation, and study plan, and all how you fill the form. I will give the link in the description as below. So don't worry about this, how you fill the complete form. I will tell you on, because if I tell you completely how you fill this form completely, so it will take too much time. So I don't waste your time anymore. If you because mostly students know how they fill the form. So, okay, so these are the things. And if you don't get any update yet about our CSC Guide official website, so come on here, cscguideofficial.com, type in Google cscguideofficial.com and click here, and you can hear how you applying procedure, your documents list, CSC documents list with sample, university link with faculty link, admission, CSC scholarship admission, because all the universities universities admission has been started. So all already is uploaded here. Wuhan University of China, and Zhejiang University Scholarship, Lanzhou Jiaotong University, and these kind of all scholarship in which announced 25 to 30 I think universities which announced CSC scholarship. So come here and explore and get everything which you want. So also subscribe our YouTube channel cscguideofficial.com. Okay, in next video inshallah I make a video on Jillian University, or these kind of things, universities and non-universities, and these kind of universities which just start a CSC scholarship admission. So I will try to make video on this. Hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and come on our website. And I also discuss on this the CSC scholarship result, because students are confused that in the university in which they want to apply, how many students selected last year. So all these things and all these things, one university of Chinese government scholarship list updated here, Southeast scholarship universities of Chang'an University updated, Lanzhou Jiaotang universities and Beijing Jiaotang universities, and see nomination of DUT, Delhi University of Technology, and other universities also mentioned their last year student which they selected. Okay, hope so you like this video. Sorry, if you like this video, then come on our YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Hope so. Good luck and take care of you.